Hi, I'm Amanda, Food Operations Team Leader at IKEA Logan, where I've worked for 12 years. Come with me as I show you behind the scenes of all the different areas in IKEA food. Early in the morning, our goods receiving coworker brings in our daily deliveries and pops everything in the chillers. Here's Khalil, who joined IKEA through our Skills for Employment program, which is a paid work placement for people from refugee backgrounds. And now he has become a permanent part of our team. Look how cool we are. Next to arrive is our salad maker. This is our superstar, Michelle, who has worked here for 36 years preparing a range of high-volume, beautiful salads, wraps, and bagels to sell in our Swedish restaurant. Today, she's making almost 200 salads. I had a good salad joke, but I tossed it. Then, our cook for the coworker restaurant comes in and gets to create the menu for the day. We have a range of cooks who come from different countries, and it's really great because we get to experience different cuisines from their culture. Today, we have Nadeem on, and he's cooking up some delicious curries that everybody loves. I always volunteer as tribute to be the taste tester. But you gotta get in quick or there will be none left. Our coworker restaurant server comes in to help feed 340 of our wonderful employees here in IKEA Logan. Here's Tweet, serving up some moves. Next in is our cooks for the Swedish restaurant. Here's Michael doing some prep while Mary cooks up some fresh chips. Many chips and many friend chips are made here at IKEA. This food then goes out to the front of the restaurant to our friendly servers. Here is our replenishment coworker Kat, who comes in to keep our fridges nice and full of yummy desserts, drinks, and pastries. Here she is preparing some jelly and mousse. These look so good, they should belong in a museum. And of course, we have our wonderful cashiers and floor staff who keep our restaurant looking clean and flawless for our customers. If you've ever eaten in the Swedish restaurant, you'll know that once you've finished eating, we ask you to pop your dishes on the conveyor belt, which leads to our dish room. Dish here is our ninja Joyce, who has worked here for over 17 years. And now it's time to head downstairs. Our co-workers in the Swedish food market are Swede hearts who look after the shop to keep it stocked and priced and serve our customers the delicious range of Swedish goodies. Hi Kiana! And last but certainly not least, here's our wonderful team that looks after the bistro and who do everything from prepping food to cooking and serving customers. Thanks for joining me on the IKEA food tour and meeting some of the team. Hopefully one day you'll get to meet Ball.